What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, got my new YouTube channel going. Not bad, working out, pretty good. A lot of work, a lot of stuff. Okay, got my new website, rwcweb.com. Okay, and remember, this isn't a lead magnet page. This is an opt-in page. If anybody wants to come here and be gracious enough to give me their email address, I shall turn you on to a lot of great stuff. Okay, if you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in this box below. Okay, so this is part 2 of my other video that we just made. See where we could shake it from. Whoops, can't do that. Okay, part 2, how to create a lead capture page for free. Okay, and I am a web starts guy. Okay, you remember web starts? Okay, let's do it like this. Now, WebStart's been around for a while, and matter of fact, let's see, 2004. I first picked them up probably 2015 by the time I got to them. Maybe sooner. Yeah, it's tough when you're getting old. Kind of forget stuff sometimes, but that's okay. Got a little joke about but they got some great stuff, okay? And like I always say, if it's for free, it is for me, okay? And if you're looking, okay, you do get a free domain when you sign up to any one of these, which is pretty cool. Now, what you want to do, if you decide to get this free domain, and you know what you're going to do with it, definitely add some keywords in there. Everybody knows that, right? Okay, but they have, this is no search engine submission, but what they do is they give you some free bucks here towards Google. And I remember when I did that, when Google was a little bit easier, that worked pretty well. Okay, email address that matches your domain. You certainly want an email address that matches your domain, and these guys give it away to you for free. Okay, it's included here. Okay, available pages unlimited on a free plan. Hey, that is definitely for me. Okay, now even though they say they don't give you any SEO, they do kind of tell you when people look at your site, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so they're definitely tracking it for you. And basically, you could do your own SEO because you can edit your site. Okay. Ooh, this got biggie wiggy, didn't it? You can edit your site. Let me just go down here for 1 second. See where we're at with this. When you go into your HTML embed code, okay, you can go into the site header. And you could put your H1 and your meta tags in here. Down the road a little bit, I'm going to have some really cool HTML hacks and tricks, okay? Some old school stuff that I don't think some of these kids are using today, okay? All right, so that's really cool, even though, again, and that's on a free plan. All right, cloud storage, 1 gigabyte. That's plenty to do a little affiliate site. Lead capture page, landing page, bridge page, whatever page you want to put there, okay? You got these new notification thing and live chat in a free website, gang. Come on. Who's doing that? Okay. It says you have no HTML access, but that's pretty much all you need, really. Do any kind of SEO. All this other stuff, like an online store, by all means, if you want to do an online store for $19.99 a month, that shit's a giggles there, man. You know what I mean? That is the cat's meow. Okay. I think their sites are very fast. I can't imagine it being any faster. Okay. Okay. Whatever way you kids say that stuff today. Okay. So now this is part 2, and what we're gonna do, right? Check this out. We're gonna look at our pages that we made one from scratch. Okay. So we're gonna add a page. Okay. This page is one page. Oh yeah, I moved some stuff around before I copy this from your home page, which I think is great. We can make one a blank one. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna call this the thank you page. Okay. Now, a little trick that I learned. It's not really a trick. It's kind of a anal retentive thing that I do. Like in a lot of programs, when you create these pages, okay, let's see the URL. All right, we're gonna go to the thank you page. Okay, and I love this feature. You could set it as the home page. You could hide it off the menu if you're using menus. I don't recommend you using menus. Okay, so this is the name of the page. Okay, and I think I added. I'm pretty sure, okay, so you'd automatically add it into the menu, but we're not going to use the menu because it's affiliate marketing. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that right away. Okay, get rid of that guy, pump you down there, pump you down there. Okay, we're going to save it, and we're going to view it. So now right up here, because we're in this mode here, okay, let me just, if you're looking, trying to show you up here. Okay, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go there. So this is your URL. Okay, so now when I name that page, if you notice, I didn't put any capital letters in there. I didn't put any spaces because it becomes obscure. Okay, when you do that. All right, so, and again, that's just in the name. All right, let me pin this back here so it don't get in our way. All right, so let's go back. We're going to go to our pages again. Okay, so that's your name. So that's going to come up in your URL up here. Okay, and again, I like to leave it lowercase without no spaces. I don't think you could put any dots in there, but there's certain things that you cannot put in there. Okay, and then you come here, and that'll be your title page. And if you do decide to use a menu, this is how it'll look. Okay, loving this keywords description, because when you get it searched on Google, you know how those little snippets come up. Okay, or you can even hide it from search engines if you want it to be a little bit private. Okay, so we're going to update that. We're going to save it. Okay, now your average thank you page, and what I like to do is you can do it like this. Now, it should be kind of an upsell on your thank you page. Excuse me, I have to take a little drink here. But let's do this. If you're out of ideas, okay, I've done this in the past before, like when I was learning. Okay, and you can get you can get some images going and see what a sample thank you page might look like. Okay, could be as simple as this. All right. So, but let me see if I can bring up. I think I showed you. You can pick samples. All right, thank you page. It's kind of elaborate here. Okay, and see what's going on. Now, what you want to do with this also is, you want to give them there's a couple different ways you could do it. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once here. Okay, let's go to that page. Okay, we'll go right here. Okay, so now with this really, is a lead capture page. Okay, so put your best email in the box, and then we're gonna like we have the video, they're gonna watch the video. Okay, they're gonna put their best email in the box, and then they're gonna come to your thank you page. Okay, and you can do an upsell here. Okay, now normally with a lead capture page, you gotta have a lead magnet. Okay, so let's go back to let's go back to okay, we go back to the dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard. Okay, we're going to go to files and folders. Okay, if you remember, we uploaded some stuff in here. Okay, not sure what this is. Preview it. It looks like just a blank file that probably came with it. Okay, and I love this part because it's so great to see what you got, what you don't got. You know what I mean? Alrighty, so basically what I want to do is, you see this picture, I'm thinking, okay, let's go edit the site. Alright, now let's take a look at adding an image. Okay, and let's take this, because if you remember, I got this from not paying attention. Okay, if you remember, again, look at this. Ultimate drag and drop. Ultimate drag and drop. Okay. Alright, so this was on the top. So we could take away these words. Now remember, as far as anything goes, you don't have to. Look at that, I love it. I clicked on it, it stayed with me going over that stuff. Okay, you don't have to do SEO on a landing page, really. Okay, it's not really a necessity, because most landing pages that you do, lead capture page and stuff like that, I mean, you're most likely going to advertise it somewhere. Solo ad, post it on blogs and Facebook and stuff like that. Okay, love that center line thing. We got that center line thing going on. We love that. Okay. Now, it's a little obscure with that picture there because it's an old picture, but if there's less work that you could do by not having to write all this, okay, and there's theoretical, psychological ways that things are made, using red font, using the yellow highlight, using the arrows. Arrows are big when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's kind of like you're a sheep herder. Not that people are sheep, don't get me wrong. I have the highest respect for people, especially my customers and subscribers and stuff like that. But you're kind of like guiding people. You don't want to give them too many things to do on a page when they come to the page, okay? So the first step is to make your lead capture page or your landing page, okay? Now, you got to upload it all right? So let's go back to the thank you page. Let's just add some stuff real quick. Okay. Thank you page. Okay. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have special gift for you. And then you would give them instructions as to whether you're going to send something in their email and stuff like that and so forth. But this real quick, I'm just going to do this like this. Okay, and then again, anything that you put here is going to be, is going to be basically, a type of an upsell. Okay, it's going to be an upsell in one way or another. It's going to be an upsell. Okay, so let's see this here. We can just spread this out a little bit. See what's going on with it. Okay. Animation, that's interesting. Kind of love that. Oh man, look at that. Boy, I didn't know that came with the free plan, gang. That's awesome. I love that. Oh man, let's just see how that works, okay? I'm like a kid in a candy store. There you go. Ultimate drag and drop web starts, okay, is definitely the cat's meow, okay? Or as we used to say too, it's just tits, man. It's tits, okay? All right, so we got that real quick. And, I haven't even gotten, it's been, I never really had the free plan in a long time. So I didn't know they added this. Bounce down. This is so awesome. Kind of like Canva, okay? So I like that bounced in, okay? So that's a great feature when you're creating. It really makes a pro out of you. I gotta tell you. Web starts like Canva for me, it made a pro out of me, okay? Basically, we're gonna put this here, right? Now, what I want to do is, I want to add an image. Okay, I'm going to take my PDF. I'm going to insert it. Okay, and then we're going to do what we're going to do. Let's do this. We'll do a button again, and you could put this, in any format that you want. I'm just doing it here as a button just to show you guys. Okay, and what we're going to do, the matrix of the button, all right, click here, and we're going to add a link. Okay, my files. Okay, and here's the PDF. All right, and again, great features, amazing drag and drops. And I'm going to have videos on how to make these and how to take them, ones that are pre-formatted. Okay, and usually you want to open this in a new window. Okay, all right, so I got a free gift for you. Okay, now when we go here, so let me show you this real quick. Okay, we go into the form. Okay, let's go to edit. Now, okay, this is, talk about the ultimate. Okay, field settings, submissions is what we're looking for. Okay. Okay, submissions, settings. Send to another email address. So you're going to pick the email address that you want it to. Now let me tell you something real quick about the history of these forms. These forms are what we used to call CGI. Okay. Not like CGI, the graphics. Okay. These were painstaking to make in the beginning. Okay. So here we're going to go. We're going to look at how easy. Okay, and if you got a mailing list, okay, who gives you a free subdomain website with, okay, we're going to update the form. All right, we're going to save everything. All right, who gives you a free email list building forms built in? Nobody does this on a free site. Okay, so my name is Ray. My email address. I'm going to put my AOL address in here. because we're gonna log into it and see how it looks. Okay. Message, and we're gonna put hi mom, and of course you wouldn't have that. You would only have these two. Okay. So we're gonna submit it. All right. There we go. Okay, Captiva. Oh, look at how nice. Look at that. Okay, so they just told me that somebody completed a form on my website. Tell me again if you can answer this question. Where can you find the ultimate drag and drop simplicity of this free website where you can build your email list, build your lead capture page, build your web pages, build your landing pages, lead pages, bridge pages, lions and tigers and bears? Oh my, where can you get this anywhere? For free. Okay? For free. Using the PLR, private label rights. Okay? Now let's see how this, oh, look at this. Fantastic. Fantastic. Notifications when somebody signed up on my form. Okay. Who does this? WebStarts. WebStarts does it. WebStarts. Okay. I got a link in the description to this. You sign up through me for this free website, okay, which isn't going to cost you anything. All right. And I will show you how to do this. I will give you free tech support. I will give you step by step. You got a question, Ray, well, I'm a little confused about the form. I wanted to do this. I'll make you a video specifically tailored to your needs here on WebStart. Sign up through me. Look at this. In an instant. In an instant, I made this. Do you understand the power of this in affiliate marketing? If they'd had this back when I was starting, I probably would be much richer than I am now, of course. Okay. But this is just phenomenal stuff. Okay. So this is part 2. And what I'm going to do is, these couple of videos that I'm making on this amazing free platform using PLR rights, private label rights, for free. Okay. I need you to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button now, because I'm going to be coming out with more videos like this for you guys. Okay. This is minutes. I did this in minutes. Do you understand the magnitude of this? Okay. Free subdomain, which means you got a free website. Do you understand? Got a free website. Look at this. This is like a hidden treasure. Okay, because I'll be perfectly honest with you, they're not really mainstream. They're really not mainstream. So this is just, it amazes me. Okay, so remember the first video I showed you how to get started with this, how to make the domain. Now I'm showing you how to utilize your private label rights, free private label rights. Okay, and in the next video we're going to tweak it up even more. Okay, so this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm hoping you're going to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm working real hard for you guys, and I don't want to just show you stuff. Okay, I don't want to just put you through stuff and just introduce stuff to you. I want to teach you. I want you to really learn. And I think what happens is most people that are online trying to train you and teach people, they just they're just going through the motions. Okay, I want to show you step by step, because what I'm going to do, however many series this series is going to be here, okay, however many series that I make videos on this, what I'm going to do when you sign up, I'm going to make a special sign up page for it. Okay, And I'm going to put this in PDF form so you can just take it with you and read it at your leisure. And you guys take care.